Greetings, colleagues. We're here with Mark Seitz, who is from Mount Gretna Maintenance and is celebrating 40 years of service here with the commission. And Craig, Shuey, and I wanted to stop in, to celebrate his 40 years and also get to learn a little bit about some of the stories and some of the things that made up those 40 years. So, Mark, talk to us a little bit about your first day. Do you remember your first day?
It was 1983. I was 20 years old. I started as a mechanics helper down in Bowmansville. I would service the trucks and also run the first responder in a combination. I knew when I started out here that I really enjoyed the job, and I knew I'd stay here for the rest of my life. After that, I became an equipment operator at Bowmansville, and then my father worked up here as an equipment operator, and eventually I bid up here because I live in Manheim. And then I was an equipment operator for like 10 years, and then I bid as a CWO, MUW on the 3 to 11 shift. And I've been that for 20 years. Been here ever since, and always liked being out here.
And both of us being Manheim residents, we're trying to talk you into run for mayor.
Is that right? Well, that's a possibility. If I have your backing, I might get that.
I'm sure he'll sign your petition.
Yeah.
Mark, talk a little bit about your favorite day on the job. Do you have anything that really sticks out as one of your favorite days?
Well, I've actually pulled 2 people out of a car that was on fire and saved their lives. I got an award from the state police right here in the kitchen. That was about 10 years ago. And then I just really enjoy helping people out here any way I can.
So Mark, if you're speaking to our new employee orientation class this week, what would you say to them? What advice would you give somebody who's just starting out their career?
I think it's an excellent job. I think the people here are good to work with. I don't really have anything negative to say about the job. I think you'd really enjoy working here if you get hired out here. I really do. That's why I've been here as long as I have.
Thank you for your tremendous service.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mark.
It's a pleasure to meet you too.
Yeah.